Hello guys, welcome back to Kanachio Studios, and we are going to be playing more City Tycoon 2 with Chase City Gaming. So let's get this super cruiser, and then we gotta get that other thing. Yeah, it's right here. And we'll spawn him. Wow, okay. There we go. Now we gotta spawn into Super Cruiser. One moment, guys. I have to go to the bathroom. So, guys, hold on. Watch my money. Because as it goes out... Can I trade you? Please? But Dave won't answer because he's going on... Because he's eating lunch. Okay. So? He won't answer.
So, you need to eat lunch too. What's the problem?
I'm waiting. I'm making a video and I need to go to the bathroom.
Alright, you need to eat though. You haven't even eaten breakfast. That's the priority, okay? You can't not eat because you're too busy.
What?
There's no need to have that kind of attitude. Okay?
What is Karen doing?
He's waving at you.
No, he's like... He's learning how to wave like that. Okay, guys, I'm back. And wow, I have a lot of money. Okay, let's go get to the vault and see how much money I've earned from people. Yes, please. Beep. Now let's go buy more. Let's go buy that super cruiser. Let's buy that race cruiser and hope it works. Come on, please work. And nope. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Only the race cars work for some reason. But what else is there to buy? What else is there to buy? Uh-oh, I moved it. Let's check. Is there anything in here? Only is expensive barrier. I can buy some spare tires. Okay. Gee, there's lots of spare tires. I'm gonna save up for the spare body kits. And then we'll get that start finish line thing. And we almost got it, and done. Spare body kits. Spare body kits? What are spare body kits? Oh, for the cars. Oh, spare bodies for the cars. Oh, there's gonna be a lot though. That makes sense. That makes sense. Oh. Okay, I will continue this after. So, see you guys next time. Bye.